Now is your chance to own the night with this exciting opportunity in the Metro Atlanta area. This fantastic niche business geared for continual growth could be yours, only if you act quickly. This long-established company has installed and designed thousands of specialty lighting displays, working with clients from the concept to application and everything in between. According to Carl Barham of Transworld Business Advisors, this company has been in business for over 15 years, creating a long list of satisfied and loyal high-end corporate, residential, and government clients while maintaining a cash flow of over $300,000. The sale includes the entire business, encompassing both tangible and intangible assets, including all the decorating inventory, vehicles, tools, websites, phone numbers, and a customer database, with the seller providing support for a seamless and easy transition. For more information, contact Carl Barham at 770-766-9855 or kbarham@tworld.com.